What the heck is up, my Atlanteans? Sorry, I feel like I switch up the camera angle like every single video, but I swear it really does depend on the lighting. My like lamp lights and stuff are basically orange, as you've seen in other videos, so I try to get it at the best times. Sometimes they're not the best, but I do what I can. I do what I can with what I have. For today's video, I have something very special and super fun to open with all of you. For today's video, I will be completing the rainbow in my collection with Poppy Rowan. To be honest, you guys, she is my favorite outfit and favorite design for the entire Rainbow High group. The reason why she was the last one I'm getting is because, no hate on anyone in the music industry, of course I listen to music, I love music, but it's just that the job of making music didn't really speak to me as much as the other girls did, where one did fashion design, one did animation. That was the only reason why I hesitated to get her, but to be honest, I wanted her after Skylar. I wanted her the most, cause look at her, like she's got a puffer jacket and look at her damn shoes, guys. I'm so excited to get her out of the box. Her box is the exact same as every other girl in the Rainbow High line. Nothing too exciting to talk about. They're all the same. You can see her completely in the big window here, and you got two tiny little boxes carrying the rest of her second outfit. And y'all know I am a whore for a second outfit, and I am a whore for Rainbow High. So yeah, everyone, let's get her out of the box. These are the new scissors that my mother gave me. She didn't trust me with the sharper ones. All right, everyone, so here she is completely taken out of the box with everything that she comes with around her. So let's start with the basic things. Of course, they always come with their hanger and skirt slash pant hanger. Then she's gonna come with a glittery orange base this time. We love a good stand. And just like every other doll, she's gonna come with her Rainbow High hair comb. This time, we're getting it in the same glittery orange color. So now let's take a look at the doll. Oh my god. First of all, let's just start with thanking the doll companies nowadays for making dolls so much easier to take out of the box. As I was taking her out from her cardboard prison, I guess, I got flashbacks to when all of the dolls would always have those, like, they would always have their hair like stitched into the box. And I'm just really thankful that we don't have to go through that anymore. But I digress. Here is our beautiful girl here. Her hair is not too bad actually with the gel. Her hair isn't too bad. Like, it's a gel like a little bit at the bottoms of her front tendrils, but it's not bad. Here she's got little monarch butterflies on her head. These are attached by pegs, and apparently people have seen them being ripped off and like the peg being lost inside the head. So we're not gonna pull these out anytime soon. Never planned on it. The dolls all have the same faces, but I really do appreciate how they make them all look so different. She's wearing some glittery orange eye makeup. She's got her little eyelashes. I think the blue-green combo looks really good with the orange. And if you can look really closely, she's got little freckles. I think that's absolutely perfect for her. Oh my gosh, and then looking at her freaking outfit, you guys. She's got like this orange bustier top, and it's actually stitched. Like, stitches are visible. That's how confident they are in their quality. And it looks like, I don't know if this is a dress or a skirt. It is actually a full-on dress. Are you kidding me? MGA, like, they literally didn't have to. Like, this could have been two separate pieces, but oh my gosh, this is a full-on dress. But it's like this pink color. When I first saw this, I wasn't sure at first, but taking her out of the box, it doesn't look bad at all. Like, it's really cute. I really like this. And then she's wearing this super cute puffer jacket that is like, oh my gosh, I don't even know what to say. Like, this is a freaking puffer jacket that they put onto this doll and fit for this doll. Like, that's amazing. And she's even got the little zipper detail on both sides. And her shoes, you guys. Oh my god. Look at these freaking shoes, bro. Like, they're monarch butterflies on the top. Are you kidding me? And on the sides, this side it says for flying. This side says nothing. But look at the bottoms. Like, I remember my friends being like, is it supposed to look like that? And yes, because that is how like street styly that like rainbow highs are. Like, I think that is so dope. They're just a platform thigh-high boot. Oh my god, that is so cute. And of course, she's got the amazing quality. Oh wow. So looking closely at the hair here, it looks like there's like multiple colors of orange and like pink, like multiple different shades. It looks really good on her. They could have totally left it just like the one orange, but that does bring in some more depth to the hair. I think that's really pretty. So yes, we love her. And of course, every doll comes with a second outfit. I think for this, I'm gonna put her in this outfit and then we'll look a little closer at that. Good plan. How do I... And here she is completely in her second outfit here. I swear, you guys, like when I first saw like the photos of her second outfit would be, I thought it would be like kind of plain, but honestly, definitely one of my favorites. I feel like I say that with every one of these. It's just, I love them all, okay? Seriously, I freaked out when I found out this is like a real drawstring. Like you can actually pull it and it'll actually tighten the top. Are you, what the fuck? Her hoodie is going to be like this very light orange, I'd say basically pink, like sweater, and it has like the faux gooch, the rainbow sign with the little rainbow underneath it. Her skirt is like this pleather material, and it is also stitched just like her top. And on the side here, I actually really love this detail. On the side here, it is stitched, and the little ends here are hanging out. And honestly, I was unsure how I would feel about the gold socks, but it looks really good on the doll. The socks plus the shoes, I think that is so cute. Look at the, oh my gosh, look at the freaking shoes, guys. I don't know where I've seen this. I know it's on Dolls Kill, but I know it's somewhere else also. I remember walking into like one of those fancy department shops and seeing these shoes. If any of y'all know which shoe this is, or what company or what designer, please let me know in the comments. I would love to bask in its glory as I am on this doll. And they are a thick platform pump in orange, of course. The strap is gonna be clear. Like, I think that's so cool. Ugh. Orange, black, and pink. Like, you wouldn't think that'd be a really good combination, but here she is. All right, everyone, so that is everything for this video. In my opinion, I genuinely love her. She is so cute. Her entire outfit is A1. The quality is A1. MGA keeps spoiling us. Like, look at her. Look at everything that she comes with. Like, she is definitely worth the price in my opinion. 2 to 3 complete outfits. Quality hair, quality details. Like, Rainbow High is definitely one of the best dolls on the market right now. I really recommend her if you guys love the color orange, or if you love the art of making music. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. I don't know when I turned this channel into a doll reviewing channel, but I do have a few other things planned out. But if you have any other suggestions, please let me know. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want, and I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye.